Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing this look right here using the new Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette. To start this look off, I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer. I'm just going to apply that all over the face and blend that right in. Next, I'm going in with Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Foundation, and I'm mixing that with a little bit of Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm just applying that all over my face as well. And since the Wild West palette is inspired by the desert, I wanted to go for a more sun-kissed kind of look. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is very well loved. I'm almost out, and I'm just applying that to the under eye area as well as the high points of my face. Then I'm going to set all of those concealer areas with Laura Mercier's Translucent Setting Powder. Now to add a little bit more of a sun-kissed kind of look, I'm taking MAC's Give Me Sun, which I have hit pan on. I absolutely love this bronzer though, and I'm just going to apply this all the way around the face. Now going in with Hank & Henry's Duo Blush and Highlight. This is the Luxe Touch. And as you can see, I've hit pan on this one as well. But this is such a beautiful duo, you guys. So I'm just using both the blush and the highlight together from this palette. And now for the star of the show, the Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette. This palette is 100% cruelty-free and vegan, you guys. And the first shade we are going to start out with is Laredo. And it is kind of a cool tone brownish gray. I'm just applying that into my crease and blending it upwards. This was my first time trying this palette out, so I just kind of let my brush and my hand take me where it wanted to go. I also took the shade Stand Off, which is the very first shade in the palette. It's kind of a creamy beige. And I applied this to my brow bone area just to kind of help that grayish cool tone brown blend a little more. Now we're going in with Pony Up, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just putting that into my crease to deepen it up. And if anyone was wondering, I am using the Urban Decay Primer Potion for my eyeshadow primer. You guys, this palette is so blendable, and just like every other Urban Decay palette, it comes with its own brush. Now I'm taking the shade Tex, and this is the shade that I was the most excited about, and it did not disappoint. It is so gorgeous, you guys. It's kind of like a dark bluish green. Next to Tex, I am putting Rustler, which is a deep, dark, metallic brown, and it is so pretty. And then next to Rustler, kind of on the inner corner of our lid, we're going to put the shade Hold'em, and this is kind of a gold shimmery shade. Then dropping down to that lower lash line area, I'm taking the shade Whiskey, which is true to its name. It's a nice amberish brown. And then we're also taking Ghost Town, which is a burnt orange, and I'm placing that right next to it. Lining my eyes with my favorite Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil. This is Perversion, and it just glides right on, you guys. Now we're taking this beautiful shade called Bud. It's a metallic turquoise, and Urban Decay did such a great job with this color story, you guys. It just makes me think of shiny, gorgeous turquoise jewelry out in the middle of the desert. And then to finish up the eyeshadow, I'm taking Cowboy Rick and placing that right into the inner corner. Now taking a little Lash Freak by Urban Decay, and I'm going to coat my lashes in this, and then we're going to apply some falsies. For the lips, I'm taking St. Luxe's lip pencils in Secret Admirer and Love Letter, and then I had a little sample of some Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Stark Naked, and I just applied that right into the center. And that is the final look, you guys. I finished the look off using a little Urban Decay All Nighter spray, And yeah, I am so in love with the Wild West palette. It is such a gorgeous palette, beautiful color story, 100% vegan, 100% cruelty free, and it's only $49, you guys. Big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me this palette to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.